Hi, I am Dr. Seema Kotak, and today let's understand a little bit about vitamin B12. So, what is vitamin B12? It is an essential vitamin which is water soluble and is needed by our body on a daily basis because it cannot produce it. So, what are the functions of vitamin B12? First, it is necessary for the proper production of our red blood cells. The second function is that it is needed for the proper development and functioning of our nerves. And the third important function is that it is needed to make DNA in our cells. We all know that every cell has a DNA. So for proper production of that DNA, vitamin B12 is necessary. So what are the sources of vitamin B12? It is present in meat, eggs, fish, poultry. It is present in milk and milk products like yogurt and cheese. It is also present in certain fortified cereals. So then, what are the symptoms of a deficiency of vitamin B12? हमको पता कैसे चलेगा कि there is a deficiency of vitamin B12? Because of the following symptoms. So the first is pale skin, shortness of breath, maybe too much amount of fatigue, tiredness, weakness, lightheadedness. Some may feel lot of muscle weakness, बहुत ज़्यादा weakness है. The others may feel that there is a lot of tingling and numbness of the hands and feet. जैसे कुछ चींटी काट रही है, मूंगी जैसे है in the hands and feet. Some people may have redness and pain of the tongue, of the inside of the mouth. There may be other symptoms also like gas and bloating, or there could be symptoms like forgetfulness, difficulty in concentration, having lots of changes in mood, a very depressive feeling. Some people may also have some kind of unsteadiness, while walking. Then there are also certain people who are at risk of vitamin B12 deficiency. So who are those people then? First is all those people who do not have it through their food. First. Second is pregnant ladies obviously need more amount of vitamin B12. As people grow and grow in their age, what happens is their ability to absorb the vitamin B12 goes down. So they may have deficiency of vitamin B12. Those people who have a lot of alcohol intake may have the vitamin B12 absorption ka problem. Then there are people who have undergone some kind of stomach surgery. They may require more amount of vitamin B12 because उन लोगों में deficiency हो सकता है. Then there are people who may have a particular type of anemia called as pernicious anemia. Now this is an autoimmune disease in which there is this protein called as intrinsic factor which is needed for proper absorption of that vitamin B12. Now that is lacking. तो इन लोगों में deficiency हो सकता है. Then people who have some small intestinal disease like Crohn's disease, they may have deficiency of vitamin B12. And last but not the least, there are people who have a lot of antacids, or there are people who have diabetes and have a particular drug. They may have deficiency of this vitamin B12 because it affects the absorption of this vitamin. So now that we know so many things about vitamin B12, I think it is very necessary that we pay attention to our diet and focus on better health. So until next time, take care. See you.